everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I showed you a juice, so I'm gonna be juicing another one today. So we're gonna call this just a cranberry juice. It's gonna be beautiful red in color. So let's see the ingredients. So the first thing I have here, these are fresh cranberries, and one of the reasons I haven't made this video till now is I couldn't find fresh cranberries, only frozen ones, and it is of course better to juice fresh ingredients. So this is 1 cup of fresh cranberries, and this is 1 medium-sized beet. I just peeled it, it's raw, and cut it in half. You're also going to need 2 apples. You can use any kind of apples you like, but preferably try something sweet because the cranberries and the lemon, it's pretty sour, so try and go for sweeter apples, like a red apple, or these are Honeycrisp apples, so you'll need 2. And this is a serving pretty much for 1 glass. Sometimes it makes a little bit more depending on how juicy things are. You're also going to need just half of a lemon because the cranberries are sour enough, and just a little tiny piece of ginger. This is just raw peeled ginger. So that's all the ingredients you're going to need to make pretty much 1 serving of this amazing juice. So let's just work on some of the ingredients. So like I said, everything has been washed and some of the things have been peeled. So what I'm going to do now is just quarter these apples. And I'm just removing the little stems. You can also remove the seeds if you like and the core of the apple, but I just keep it in. So that's for the apples. And the last thing you're going to need is just to peel your lemon. Because the skin of the lemon is pretty bitter, I like to get rid of it. So all I'm going to do is just cut off the end. And then I'm just going to go around with my knife and just peel the skin. And like I always say, a little bit of this white is okay. Just make sure to get rid of the yellow hard peel. So that's all the ingredients. They're ready. So the only thing we need to do now is just juice it. So I'm going to start by turning on my juicer to the low setting. And we'll start with the cranberries on the low setting, just so they don't jump out to the waste container. Okay, so our juice is ready. So what I like to do is just mix it with a spoon, just to make sure all the ingredients get mixed well together. Now, like I said, depending on how sweet your apples are, you may want to add some kind of a sweetener. So maybe some honey or agave syrup if you want to be more healthy. If not, you can always add some sugar to this. But I actually drink it as this, but I like sour things. So now we're just going to pour it into the glass. So that's our beautiful juice. As you can see, it's not exactly red, but it has almost a little bit of this purple tint, but of course it is amazing and beautiful. And it tastes really, really nice. Like the cranberries and the lemon taste really, really fresh. And I think it's really cool to have this around this time of the year, around Thanksgiving and Christmas time. Just the cranberries kind of bring up the season. So let's see the juice up close. So this is juice with the cranberries, lemon, ginger, and apples, as well as some lemon. So I hope you try this juice. Try and make it. It tastes really good. And if you like green juices or juices as is, this is a variation that you can have just so you don't get bored of a taste. And thank you so much for watching, like always. Cheers to you, and I'll see you in my next recipe. Thank you. Bye.